Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, park builders. In this video, I will explain the fundamental steps to playing Planet Coaster. Your journey begins by choosing one of three exciting game modes: Career, Sandbox, or Challenge. Once you have selected your preferred mode, establish your park's entrance and lay down the initial paths to guide your first visitors. Remember to immediately construct vital amenities such as restrooms, food and drink stalls, and information centers to ensure guest comfort and satisfaction from the very start. This foundational setup is crucial for a thriving park. Now, let's dive into the heart of Planet Coaster, designing incredible roller coasters. The game offers a powerful and intuitive track editor, allowing you to sculpt every curve, drop, and inversion with precision. Experiment with various elements such as vertical drops, corkscrews, and zero-G rolls to create truly unique and thrilling experiences. After construction, rigorously test your coaster to fine-tune its excitement, fear, and nausea ratings, ensuring it appeals to a wide range of guests and maximizes their enjoyment. Aim for high excitement and low nausea. Beyond the rides, effective park management is key to your success. You will need to hire and train a diverse team of staff, including janitors to keep paths clean, mechanics to maintain rides, and entertainers to boost guest spirits. Strategically place a variety of shops and restaurants throughout your park to cater to every guest's craving and maximize your profits. Furthermore, invest in detailed scenery and thematic elements. A visually appealing park significantly increases guest happiness and overall park ratings, drawing in even more visitors. To truly master Planet Coaster, consider these advanced strategies. Continuously research new and exciting rides, diverse shops, and essential park improvements to keep your offerings fresh and engaging for returning guests. Experiment with adjusting ticket prices and launching targeted marketing campaigns to attract a steady stream of new visitors to your growing empire. Always pay close attention to guest thoughts and detailed park statistics. These insights are invaluable for identifying areas that need improvement, ensuring your park remains a top-tier destination for thrill seekers and families alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.